Hello students, welcome to AG Mathematics and Science. So today we will do 10th standard physics, chapter 2nd, topic work. So in physics, what is work? When the work said to be done. Only when the force applied on a body makes the body move. यानी कि if we apply the force on the body or body start moving, then the work said to be done. यानी कि in physics work तब बोला जाएगा if we apply a force and body cover some distance, then the work said to be done. For example, if we push a car, apply force and the car start moving, it means work has done. Same way, if we push a wall, the wall will not move. जितनी मर्जी force लगाएंगे, ball नहीं move करेगी. It means in physics the work is zero. So the work depends upon force and displacement. Force and displacement both are vector quantity, but work is a scalar quantity. Work is scalar quantity. Vector, displacement also vector quantity. What is the unit of work? The unit of work, as a unit of work is joule. 1 joule equal to 1 Newton, 1 meter. Means the work is said to be 1 joule when 1 Newton force is applied on a body and the body cover distance 1 meter, then the work said to be 1 joule. Same way in CGS system, the unit of work is erg, and here force in dyne and distance in centimeter. So when the work is said to be 1 erg when 1 dyne force is applied and body cover distance 1 centimeter. Students, now we will do the relation between joule and erg. So 1 joule equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. 1 Newton 10 raised to power 5 dyne, that we have done in previous chapter, and 1 meter equal to 10 raised to power 2 centimeter. So 1 joule equal to 10 raised to power 5 plus 2 7 dyne centimeter. So dyne centimeter is erg. So it means 1 joule equal to 10 raised to power 7 erg. So this is the relation between joule and erg. So students, this is the definition of work, unit of work, SI unit, CGS unit, and relation between SI and CGS unit of work. So please note down. So now students, we will do the another explanation of work. Sometimes we apply the force and the body moves in another direction, that of the force. यानी कि कई बार हम लोग जिस डायरेक्शन में फोर्स लगाते हैं, बॉडी उस डायरेक्शन में मूव नहीं करती. फॉर एग्जांपल, जब फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, सो मेनी किक्स आर देयर, बनाना किक्स है और कई किक्स हैं कि किक किसी और तरफ लगाते हैं और बॉल किसी और तरफ मूव करती है. इन दैट केस द वर्क we will find by using this formula Fs cos theta. So what is F? F is the force, S is the displacement, and theta is the angle between work and displacement. Now students, see the first case when the force and displacement are in same direction. यानी कि जिस direction में हमने force लगाई, in same direction the body start move. It means W equal to Fs cos angle between force and displacement is 0. Both are in same direction, and value of cos 0 that we have done in the lower classes, that is 1. So answer is Fs. So in this case, when the force and displacement are in same direction, means the body moves in the direction of force, the work done is directly the product of force and displacement. Now students, just see the another case when, for example, force हमने इस direction में लगाई, but the body moves in this direction. Force हमने लगाई along CB, but the body moves displacement along CA. It means that the angle between force and displacement is theta. So how to find the work here? We have to find the component of displacement in the direction of a force. The component of displacement in the direction of force. यानी कि S का कितना part, the component of S along direction BC. So here we will use the trigonometry which we have done in the 9th standard. So see, complete the right angle triangle. AB perpendicular draw. CB. So this is a right angle triangle. And what is CB? CB or BC is the base. Base. And AC is the hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse equal to cos theta. So what is the value of AC? S. So BC is S cos theta. Means the component of S along F is S cos theta. So दोनों same direction में हो गए. It means F and S cos theta are in same direction. So work is दोनों की product F S cos theta. So what is the formula now? F S cos theta. So it means this formula we have derived when the force and displacement are not in the same direction. यहाँ पे हमने क्या resolve किया था? The component of displacement. But in place of this we can resolve the component of force also. For example, force इस direction को लग रही है, displacement इस direction में है, तो displacement की direction में we just find the component of force. तो component of force क्या होगा? S तो S ही रहेगा, लेकिन component of force become F cos theta. F cos theta. Same way I have drawn the diagram here. See, this angle is theta, this angle is theta, vertically opposite angle. Force है, force का कौन सा component है? Along S, F cos theta. Now F cos theta and S are in same direction. So work is force कितनी है? F cos theta into displacement. So क्या बन गया? Indirectly the formula is F S cos theta. It means this formula we have to apply when the force and displacement are not in same direction. They are at certain angle. Theta is the angle between force and displacement. Sometime it will be 30 degrees, 60 degrees, accordingly whatever given we can fill the value. But one thing you have to keep in your mind, the work is equal to directly the product of force and displacement when the force and displacement are in same direction, when the angle between force and displacement is 0. So students, please note down this. So students, hope you understood the topic and prepare this at your home, and don't forget to like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.